Hi, this is Uma from EduContra. Today we are going to speak about helping people in the community as also community service. Both of these would be part 3 of the IELTS speaking module. So here we go.
What are some of the ways people can help others in the community? Which is most important?
There are so many ways that people can help others in the community. It could be financial, which is sometimes what most people need, or it could be emotional. Quite often in today's stress ridden world, people are actually looking for emotional support. They may have all the money in the world, but they need emotional support. And sometimes even being next to a person does wonders for his own psychology. But I believe that the most important thing is giving emotional support rather than financial support.
Why do you think some people like to help other people?
There are some people who are as such born kind and who are people interested in helping other people get over their problems. And for some people, it is a profession because they have an organization which is out for helping other people.
Some people say that people help others in the community more now than they did in the past. Do you agree or disagree? Why?
I would disagree with this question because today every family has become an island. Earlier, we used to have joint families in our country where the whole family got together and it was more like an extended family living together in the neighborhood. But today, thanks to working spouses and thanks to the nuclear family, one hardly finds time for anybody outside the family. So, I believe that people help others in the community less than they used to in the past.
What type of services such as libraries or health centers are available to the people who live in your area? Do you think there are enough of them?
I wouldn't say there are a lot of services available for people in my area. In fact, a health center also is very, very far away, and for the entire city, we have only a couple of libraries. So, I would definitely say that the facilities available are not enough, and the government should do more to provide access to people to more health centers and libraries and parks.
Which groups of people generally need most support in a community? Why?
I think people like the minorities, the poor, the women, and the disabled need most support in a community. There are many reasons for this. One is that quite often they are underprivileged. Another reason could be that they are not even aware of what facilities are available to them from the government side or from an NGO side. So I believe that they need most support in the community, not just in terms of financial support, but also in terms of knowledge support.
Who do you think should pay for the services that are available to the people in a community? Should it be the government or individual people?
I believe that it is the government that should be responsible for all the services that should be made available to people in a community. The government, in any case, gets tax as revenue from the people, and it is the government that has the wherewithal in terms of financial resources, infrastructure, people, and also the legal backing to implement anything that they want to do. Thank you.